Today we're going to be creating a collage using just 2 pieces of paper. So you will need a background paper and then a smaller paper that's a different color from the background, a pencil, glue stick, and scissors. Okay, so to start off, we're going to be taking this yellow construction paper and cutting out pieces to create different sections of the negative space. So right now, this paper is the positive space because it is the main subject and it stands out from the background. Everything around it, this background paper, is considered the negative space. So when we cut out a piece, let's say we have this shape here. Once we cut this out, that empty space there is going to be considered part of the negative space. So that's the goal of this collage, is to create a interesting positive space and negative space. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw some more designs here. I'm just going to do them on these edges here like this. You can do it on the corner, but then it won't connect quite the same. So it's a little better if you do it along the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and then I will show you the next step from there. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out all these pieces. So what you're going to do is match them up with where they go, but then instead of leaving them like that, you're going to flip them so they are opposite and they are mirroring that negative space. So these pieces will be part of the positive space, and the white space will become part of the negative space. And there we go. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down, and then I will show you the final product as well as a few other examples. Alright, everything's glued down. One little trick you can do to get everything a little flatter is just flip your paper over carefully, and you can just gently rub it on the back side. That way you don't flip up any of the edges. Some people like to use the lid from the glue stick, whatever works for you. Alright, so we have our final collage. I'm going to show you an example. Like I said, if you do cut something on the corner, this is what's going to end up happening. So it's not going to connect to the original square. It's going to be kind of floating there, which is totally fine. I drew like a little bit of the edge of the corner there so that I could see where to place it. But yeah, it still looks pretty cool, just like that. And then if you want to do a different shape, like a circle, you see how it's kind of curved. So again, it's not going to line up perfectly like the first one, but this is still a really cool way to do it. Okay. Well, and that's it. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing your collages.